Hi, this is Hamada Zahawi, founder and CEO of Right Track Admissions, a global admissions consulting company. And if you haven't been to our channel before, get ready for an unfiltered account of exactly how to get into your top choice program, how to secure funding, and how to succeed both as a student and as a professional. And if you haven't done so already, make sure to hit the big red subscribe button below to get the latest content from Right Track Admissions, as well as our social media handles conveniently located below this video for you. So when thinking about your video MBA essay, you really want to be thinking about four key components: the content, the background, what you're going to wear, and that X factor. So let's go one by one. So in terms of content, obviously you want to make sure that you're abiding by the prompt and whatever the school is asking for, right? So make sure you write it out. Start with bullet points, then flesh it out, write it all out, word to word, everything you're going to say. It's about 150 words or so, right? For about a minute of video content, right? So you want to be thinking about exactly what you're going to say, write it all out, right? And then at that point, start memorizing it, because you do not want to have anything scripted and put in front of you, right? So you want to memorize it, but make it authentic, make it organic to you, okay? So the first thing you want to think about is the content. Make sure that you abide by what the school is asking for, write it all out so that you can capture everything and not make a mess when you do it. So the second thing you want to think about is the background. Don't just keep it plain. Choose a place that's super important to you, that really is meaningful to you. A park you go to, a river, a hike that you do, right? Think about something that's really unique to you, so when they're watching the video, it's memorable, right? You want to captivate them. You want to capture their attention, right? So think about a place that's really, really memorable, that you can kind of, grab their attention when they're reviewing the video. So it's not just about what you're saying, but everything else that kind of comes together so it stands out among all the other applicants. Now, you want to be thinking about what you're going to wear on that video, right? So for women, it's a little bit tricky, right? Do you want to wear a suit? Do you want to wear a shirt? Do you want to wear a sweater? Do you want to wear like a cardigan? For men, do you want to wear suits with a tie? Do you unbutton the shirt? You want to think about that, really what's expressive to you, really meaningful to you, kind of like who you are. Don't just wear a suit and something very plain. Again, think about things that really make you stand out, but not over the top, right? We don't want you to be wearing potentially a tank top or something that doesn't look very professional. Always be mindful about what you wear and think about those colors that really catch the camera, right? You don't want to be wearing things with a lot of stripes and stuff like that because it's going to actually throw off the camera in terms of the filming. So think about things that are still important to you, that are still indicative of the kind of colors that would really shine in terms of who you are and make you stand out. All right. Now the last one is one I really like, and it's the kind of the je ne sais quoi, the X factor. You want to kind of do something that is not just text, like put in a joke, put in something memorable, not just something that's, corny or inauthentic to you, but say something that really is like, during the period of COVID, people always say, stay safe. I can't wait to be with you, hopefully together, something like that, that really allows you to kind of, again, stand out. These videos are all about standing out. So here's your call to action. Again, make sure that you write down every single bullet of what you're going to say, then flesh it out into a paragraph, and then make sure that you highlight every aspect of those main factors. Again, the background, what you're going to wear, what you're going to say, and that little uniqueness that really adds to you. Well, I hope you found this useful and we'll get you on the right track to success. If you have any questions for us, please post them below. We'll do our best to get back to you with further resources. If you haven't already done so, subscribe by hitting the big red button below. And as always, please stay safe, stay sane,